Hey guys, Kelvin here. Today I'm gonna make a Sichuan Style dish which is very famous, popular in the Chinese restaurants all over the world. Dry fried green beans. My kids love it so much, I have to make this dish for them every week. Let's get started straight away. Here are all the ingredients we are gonna need. Remove both ends from the green beans by hand as I do, or you could just cut off both ends using a knife. Add cooking oil to a wok. Make sure that the oil could submerge the green beans. Set heat on medium to high and wait until the temperature of the oil comes to 160 degrees centigrade. Put the green beans in the wok and deep fry them for about 5 minutes. When the skin of the beans wrinkle, it's time to remove them and set aside. Then remove the cooking oil from the wok, heat on medium, and use the wok to stir fry the pork mince for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add Ya Cai, chili, pepper, and the fried green beans and keep on stirring for about 1 minute. Add salt and sugar, stirring for another 30 seconds. Finally, add brown vinegar from the edge of the wok and stir for about 30 seconds. Okay, all done. The green beans have a unique taste loved by the people in West China. It's a little bit dry and spicy. Okay, that's it. I'm Kelvin, restaurant recipe sharer, and I will see you in the next video.